Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how can you upload your WordPress plugin in your WordPress dashboard. That's super easy. Let me show you how. First of all, open your dashboard where you want to upload your plugin by entering your credentials like username and password. Once you reach your dashboard, you will see the option plugin in the sidebar. When you mouse over it, you will see the drop down list with the options install plugins, add new and plugin editor. Now click on the add new option. Okay, here the option is. Here you can see the plugins from a WordPress store. If you want to upload a new plugin, then click on the upload plugin and then click on the choose files and choose the plugin that you want to upload on your WordPress dashboard. Okay, I have it here. Make sure that format must be in the zip file because it is the only extension that is acceptable from the WordPress. Open it and then click on the install now button and it will start unpacking the package and installing the plugin. Plugin installed successfully. Now click on the activate plugin button. Congratulations, your plugin is activated now. Let me tell you one thing here. If you want to see the plugin options, you can find the plugin in the sidebar. Yeah, from here this sidebar you can find the options. I have installed WP Bakery as you can see in the sidebar here. Here it is appearing by its name. If you cannot find the name of that specific plugin in the sidebar, then check in appearance or in tools option or in settings drop down. I hope there you can find your plugin. If you like the video, kindly subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest updates. Take care.